Let's begin lying back. Let the soles of the feet come together and open your knees wide. Close your eyes and start to deepen your breath. Begin to arrive. Nothing else to do here now but breathe. Extend the left leg long and hug your right knee into your chest. Begin to slowly circle the right ankle in one direction. Now the opposite direction. Slowly draw your other knee up. Hug both knees into your chest. Keep the knees together and make some circles with the knees in one direction, massaging the lower back. And now make some circles in the opposite direction. Find stillness. Ankle rolls, second side. Keep the left knee up toward your chest. Hug it in and extend the right leg long. Circle the left ankle in one direction. Now the opposite direction. Draw the other knee up toward your chest. Hug the knees in. Grab behind your hamstrings and rock and roll up to a tabletop position. Align shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Puppy dog pose. Walk the hands forward and melt the chest toward the mat. Keep melting the heart down into the mat and fill the shoulders open. Walk the hands back in and come back to tabletop. Walk your hands a few inches forward. Tuck your toes. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, down dog. Firm the hands into the mat and press the hips up and back. Maybe ease the heels toward the mat. Inhale, right leg to sky. Exhale, knee to nose, shift forward, knee hugs in close. Inhale, leg high, three-legged dog. Right foot forward, exhale, low lunge. High lunge, lift the chest up, breathe in, arms to the sky. Warrior 2, spin the back heel down, breath out, hips open to the side, arms out to a T. Align the front knee directly over the front ankle and gaze beyond your right fingertips. Peaceful warrior, inhale, right hand to sky. Set up for triangle pose. Straighten the right leg and reach your right arm toward the top of your mat. Without moving anything else, lower your right hand to your quad or even the shin and raise the left arm to the sky. Ground the right foot and pull it down and back. Activate the leg. Inhale to peaceful. Rebend the front knee, right arm to the sky. Exhale, low lunge. Cartwheel the hands down. Inhale, plank. Move the front foot back. Knees to the mat. Exhale, elbows hug in. Lower halfway down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Start to straighten the arms, open the chest and lift the knees off the mat. Tuck your toes, exhale, downward facing dog. Left side now. Inhale, left leg to sky, three-legged dog. Keep the left hip aiming down. Shift forward, knee to nose, exhale. Back to three-legged dog, inhale. Low lunge, exhale, left foot forward. Inhale, high lunge, arms to the sky. Warrior 2, back heel spins down to the mat, exhale, arms open wide. Deep bend in the front knee and gaze over the left fingertips. Peaceful warrior, inhale, left hand up. Triangle, straighten the left leg and reach your left fingertips out to the top of your mat. Left side of the body stays long. Lower your left hand to your quad or shin and reach the right hand to sky. Head, shoulders and hips all in one line, like you're between two panes of glass. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Rebend the front knee, left arm high. Exhale, low lunge. Windmill the hands down. Inhale, plank pose. Keep the knees lifted this time. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, up dog. Roll the shoulders back and lift the chest. Knees lift off the mat. Down dog again. Tuck your toes, hips high. Bend your knees, gaze forward, inhale. Exhale, step or fly to the top of your mat. Inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Stay folded, bend the left knee, twist right and sweep the right arm high. Maybe take the gaze up beyond the right fingertips. Stay in the twist for revolved chair. Bend both knees deeply, hips low, and connect left tricep to right outer thigh. Keep the hips low and press elbow into thigh even more. Unwind and release to forward fold. Bend the right knee, twist left, left arm sweeps up. Feel sensation along the outside of the left leg. Keep twisting, revolve chair. Bend both knees and connect right tricep to left thigh. Push elbow into thigh and thigh back into elbow to spin the chest more to the left. Forward fold, let the arms hang heavy. Inhale, halfway, lift up. Vinyasa here, palms plant on the mat, step back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lower halfway down. Up dog, inhale as you straighten the elbows. Down dog, exhale. On the inhale, shift forward to plank. Then lower all the way down to your belly. Half bow, come onto your right forearm, reach for your right foot with your left hand and inhale, lift up. Keep kicking into the hand and keep rotating the chest down toward the mat. Release down, left cheek to the mat and breathe. Half bow, second side. Prop yourself up on your left forearm. and capture your left foot with your right hand, then tilt towards the sky. Kick the foot into the hand to lift higher, then try to slide the right ribcage forward. Soften back down as you exhale. Turn the chin to the left. Sphinx pose. Walk your hands forward and prop yourself up onto your forearms. Elbows gently pull back on the mat as the chest starts to open. Soften all the way down, arms by your sides, turn the chin to the right. Slowly bring the hands by your shoulders. When you're ready, press yourself up and find tabletop. Align shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Tuck your toes, exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step your right foot wide for lizard pose. Let your back knee lower as you relax into your hip. Let your shoulders be soft. Relax your face. Feel the hip flexor release. Let's set up for a twist. Right toes point more to the side. Right hand to right thigh. Press the hand into the thigh and twist right. Melt the left hip toward the mat. Release the twist. Tuck the back toes, back to three-legged dog. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale back to downward facing dog. Inhale, sweep your left leg high. Exhale, lizard. Step your left foot to the outside edge of your left hand and soften the back knee down. Feel the right hip flexor begin to lengthen. Swivel the left foot to point more to the side, left hand to left thigh. Press your left hand into your thigh and spiral the chest to the left. Look beyond your left shoulder. Left shoulder moves back. Gaze left. Gently unwind. Tuck the back toes and inhale. Back to three-legged dog, left leg high. Exhale, back to down dog. Lower your knees down, then make your way onto your back. Gently draw both knees up close to your chest. Before we end, if there's any other pose you'd like to do, like a twist or a happy baby, take some time for that now. And then, whenever you're done, settle into Shavasana, arms and legs stretched out long. Thank you for sharing your practice with us. Namaste.